Welcome. I, hello, am Ms. Carlson, your English instructor for this course. I have been a high school teacher since 2008. I started my teaching career later than most. If you can believe it, I was a mortgage banker before I was a teacher, but always wanted to be a teacher and finally achieved that dream later in life. I have been a high school teacher, like I said, since 2008. This is my fourth year of teaching online. In 2019, I decided to try virtual teaching and never expected to love it this much. And I will be starting my fifth year in the new school year. So I don't know about you, but a new semester always fills me with excitement. And it doesn't seem to matter how well or maybe not so well my students, you, have done in previous semesters. A new semester is a new beginning and a fresh start for both of us, both student and teacher. And I also realize that a new semester may mean a little bit of what? Oh, you need to meet the mascot of the class. He pretends sneezes when he wants to come in. This is our class mascot, Chewy. You will get to know him pretty well, I think, throughout the semester as he attends our live classes with me. So, as I was saying, you may have just a little bit of stress when you are coming into new semesters, trying to figure out these new teachers. What does this new teacher want from you? It seems like every instructor has their own way. They want you to complete assignments, turn in assignments, show what you know, right? But I want you to know that you can always reach out to me via email is probably the best way with any question, any concern. Communication is key with me. And my email address is ccarlson@wivcs.org. You can also find that contact information in my syllabus and under course information in your online learning system. The best thing that you can do, I have found, is that if you have a problem, let me know early and let me know often, right? Seek assistance. You have a large group of adults in our school. They're here to help you. They're here to provide support for you. You've got teachers, mentors, administrators, and counselors. And I think you'll find me to be easygoing and firm but fair when it comes to assignments. More than anything, I require effort on your part. Never do I expect perfection, but I do always expect effort. I too will put in effort as I continue working to provide you with engaging, enriching, and relevant curriculum. And I want you to enjoy yourself while you are strengthening your reading and writing skills. There's no reason that school has to be boring, right? I work all the time to make sure that I provide things that hopefully keep you engaged. And together, you and I can master standards. I can help you do this to master those standards, which are so important for a lifetime of success. No matter where you're from or what you've done up to this point, your choices led you here. And I am grateful for that. Without you, I wouldn't do anything, right? I need my students to do what I do. So I look forward to a fantastic semester with you. See you in class.